Here are your nominees for Best Storytelling.
Best Storytelling. Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
And the award goes to
Claire Obscure, Expedition 33!
Please welcome Sandfall Interactive to the stage.
Here are your nominees for Best Visual Design.
Best Visual Design. Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
And the winner is Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
Please welcome Sandfall Interactive to the stage.
Here are your nominees for Studio of the Year.
Studio of the Year. Sandfall Interactive.
And the winner is Sandfall Interactive.
Please welcome Sandfall Interactive.
From the southern Gothic soundscape of South of Midnight to the Belle Epoque brilliance of Claire Obscure, this year's soft shortlist has it all.
They're all winners in our eyes. but we're about to find out who you've crowned as the ultimate victor. Here are your nominees for Best Soundtrack.
Best Soundtrack. Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
I've always wanted to do this. And the winner is Claire Obscure.
Please welcome Sandfall Interactive.
This year's supporting characters are truly unforgettable. And what a bunch of rogues we have. 4 absolute villains, only 1 goodie, and 1, well, it's complicated. I'm looking at you, Ben Starr. And so without further ado, here are the nominees for Best Supporting Performer.
Best Supporting Ben Starr as Verso in Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
Burying everyone you know what you live on can weigh you down a bit. I couldn't help your friend, but perhaps I can help you.
And the winner is Ben Starr.
Please welcome the one and only Ben.
Best Lead Performer. Jennifer English as Maëlle in Claire Obscure, Expedition 33.
After the fire, you wanted me to find new joy in life. And I tried. But I couldn't.
And the winner is... Carlac approves. It's Jennifer English.
Please welcome the extraordinary Jennifer English to the stage.
Ultimate Game of the Year. In 5th place, it's Death Stranding 2 on the Beach. In 4th place, we have Hollow Knight Silk Song. In 3rd, it's Split Fiction. And in 2nd place, it's Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. But the winner of Ultimate Game of the Year is...
So that means the winner of this year's Golden Joystick Award for the Ultimate Game of the Year is Claire Obscure Expedition 33!
Please welcome your 7-time winners, Sandfall Interactive, to the stage.
Okay.